In this quick video, I'll show you how insanely easy it is to make a simple DIY router table fence using our QuickFence kit. First, we're going to make our fence 16 inches long, but you can cut the length to fit your router table setup. I'll cut 2 strips of 1/2 inch plywood, one at 2.5 inches and the other at 3 inches. If you plan on using 3/4 inch plywood, adjust for the added thickness. Once we have our strips cut to size, we can see how the router fence will come together. But first, we need to cut the opening for our dust port. We have a downloadable PDF on our website for you to print and use as a cutout template. You can also measure it out, but it doesn't have to be precise. You just need a large enough opening so the suction isn't restricted. Or you can use the dust port itself to trace the outline. You can then drill large holes at the drill press or just use your handheld drill. This will make it easier to cut out at the bandsaw. You can also use a jigsaw, but if you have a bandsaw, this step is way easier and a lot more satisfying. Now I'm marking the hole spacing for our carriage bolts. These holes will align with our DualFit Pro router mount and our new mini router table, which I'll show in a minute. But go ahead and drill your holes to match your router table setup. Now for the fun part. Grab some Boss Dog glue and apply some to the edge of the piece that will lay flat. I like to use a pin nailer to keep everything aligned. You can use some clamps or even CA glue to keep the pieces aligned as well. And now we can really see it coming together. I'll screw on my angle brackets first. It doesn't matter if they face in or out. They're exactly 90 degrees, so they'll make sure your fence is perfectly square either way. I'm using a self-centering drill bit for the pilot holes. These come in real handy. Then drive in your screws with a handheld screwdriver. The brackets are sturdy, but you don't want to crack them. Now do the same for the dust port. Make sure it's somewhat centered and is aligned with the cutout you made. Drill your pilot holes and drive the screws in like you did with the brackets. Finally, you can attach your carriage bolts and knobs and get your new fence ready for the router table. This is our new mini router table. The spacing between slots is 11 inches, which means we'll use the outer holes for the star knobs. The dust port will fit popular dust hose fittings from Rockler, Centec, and Festool. We'll go with the Centec hose for now, but you're ready to use your new fence. I'm using it for dust collection here, but you can definitely use it to cut dados or other cuts that require a simple fence. The other holes I drilled are 8 inches apart. Those will match the slots on our DualFit Pro router mount. That's what the inner holes on the fence are for. But like I mentioned earlier, you can drill those holes to match your specific setup. And that's it. Now you have a super simple but sturdy and square router table fence with a dust port. Thanks for watching, and a big thank you if you purchased our new QuickFence router table fence kit. I would love to see the fence you create, so make sure to tag us on all the socials. And with that, we'll see you on the next one.